Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. It's important to have opinions. Obviously, your opinions will change with time, and that is okay because there are two sides to every story. And dear students, today we will learn how to form our opinions through correct words in correct form and in convincing manner through the topic view and counter view. View is an opinion, belief, idea, or a way of thinking about something. It can be called as a perspective, vision, sight, or outlook. View is a supporting statement about any topic. It is also called debate for motion. In a view, all the supportive positive points of the statements are included. Counter view, a contrary or opposing view or opinion, can be called as contrast, antithesis, contradiction, or disagreement. It is the opposing statement of the view topic. It is also called debate against motion. In a counter view, all the negative points of the view topic are included. Objectives: to develop logical thinking, to be able to express views and counter views on the given topic, to compare and discriminate between ideas, to verify the value of evidence for concept, to recognize strengths and weaknesses of arguments, and to resolve controversies. Points to remember while writing view or counter view. You will be given a particular view regarding some current issue or topic. The view can be in the form of a paragraph, points, news items, dialogues, etc. Few pointers will be added to the question in the form of guidance. Those pointers must be included in the answer. You will be asked to write either a view or a counter view on that topic. You are expected to reflect the exact or the opposite of the given view. It is like a speech as your opinions matter. Guidelines for writing view or counter view. Very important thing is to read the question carefully so as to understand it well. Include all the relevant points, that is in your opinion. Provide data and statistics to prove points. Whatever points you include in your writing in your opinion, you have to provide fact data for that as proof. The opinions should be firm, convincing, and argumentative. That is, whatever opinions you include, you keep, should be firm, should convince the reader. The view or counter view should be in a logical order with a proper beginning and a sensible conclusion. And this is something we follow for all the writing skills topics, that whatever we write, our writing should be in a logical order and the beginning should be proper and the conclusion or ending should be sensible. That should make sense. Make use of formal and lucid language in the formal tone. When you write, your writing should be formal. That is, the language should be formal, and whatever you write, the words and sentences should be clear to the reader. And yes, the tone should be formal. Include exclamations and rhetorical questions, that is to create interest. Give a suitable title. Very important. Do not preach. Keep in mind whatever opinions you present in your writing should not sound like preaching. Do not offend any person. Do not put forward any political, racial, or such statement, that you have to be very careful about. Beginning lines of a view. Few examples as to how to start a view. There can be no second opinion in this matter. So this is how you can start writing your view, and then the rest part you can add. There is no doubt that, and after that the rest part you can include, or you can make use of the topic. After that, I truly, totally, completely, or definitely agree with the statement. I undoubtedly believe, or you can make use of any related idiom or phrase as to start a view with. Now, beginning lines of a counter view. First of all, I believe, and then rest part. Some may believe, and then the rest part. As you are writing a counter view, so you have to counter the given view or the given topic, and that is why. While it is believed that, and the rest part, although people have the notion that, I strongly feel the need to point that dot dot, or make use of any related idiom or phrase as beginning lines of your counter view. So you need to be really well read students in order to attempt any writing skills topic. That it is very important. Every topic, all the topics, writing skills, all the topics are interrelated. So that is already told to all of you. It is very important to read, whether books, newspaper, story books, very important. How to end a view or counter view. How to write conclusion, concluding line to your opinion, that is when you write a view or a counter view. Hence, I firmly believe that, and then you can make use of the given topic. Therefore, it is proved that, and whatever you have proved in your statement, in your writing, on the basis of all these logical reasons, I can confidently assert that, hence, or therefore, for all the above reasons, and then you can write whatever view you supported as in the form of phrase, whatever the topic is. Model view, counter view question. Write a counter view on the topic ambition breeds ruin. Consider the following points in your answer. Ambition gives rise to jealousy, greed, hatred. Ambition overrides human feelings. Ambition has no room for charity and compassion. Ambition leads to loss of peace and contentment. So this is the question. You are asked to write a counter view, and the topic is ambition breeds ruin. So you have to counter this opinion that ambition breeds ruin. You have to negate this, and you have to consider these points. That is, these points support the the given view. So you have to make use of these points. You have to negate these points so as to put your opinion or opinions in the counter view. That is, in your writing, which will be a counter view to the topic ambition breeds ruin. Let's check the model answer. So this is how the title is written, and that is ambition breeds success. The first paragraph, and it starts with a quote. Second paragraph, there are various facts, examples, logics in order to support the view, and the conclusion where it is proved that the given statement is true. Students, you have to write this model answer along with the question in your writing skills notebook. Practice question. Write a counter view on the following topic. The developments in the fields of science and technology have helped us in all walks of life. This is a view, and you have to write a counter view on the topic. Now, when you write the counter view, that will be your own opinion, and you have to see that you negate this opinion, which is a view that developments in the fields of science and technology have helped us. You have to support the opinion while writing the counter view that the developments of science and technology have not helped us or have harmed us. And you have to include these points that are presented as pointers in the question. So you have to make use of these points in order to negate the given opinion or view, and this is how you have to proceed with your opinion as the counter view. Tact is the art of making a point without making an enemy. This is what we should learn whenever we keep our opinion. Students, keeping our opinion is not wrong, but then we must know how to do that. Always respect another's opinion and another's point of view. Thank you